In this video, I will show you how to remove just middle name in Microsoft Excel. So we have this data. What we need, copy your list if you have the multiple name and click here and paste as value. Now in the find and select, click here, then click on replace. Here guys, you have to type this formula, this wildcard space, then asterisk, shift 8 number key on your keyboard, then space. So write space, this asterisk, then space, and replace with one space. Just press the one time space bar, then click on replace all. Click on OK. So this is the way guys you can remove this middle name in Microsoft Excel. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.